my son's operation and my husband's operation. And having John in there, heartbreaking, seeing your kids in there.
You remember what day it is today? So what's been the job?
You have trouble breathing, you need to tell me.
If you ever seen like this, get a little bit closer to your brain. Make sure you really get together and how quick and easy it is. Take that away.
The hit-and-run driver has not been found, but John's scans were clear and he's made a quick recovery.
Oh, he's good. All about school, all about rugby. He's running around.
It seems to be a lot tougher than you give them credit for, but I don't think I'm tough anyway, not that way.
Cautious romantic Michael received several stitches and a tetanus shot. His marriage proposal was accepted and he's now planning for the big day. As a result of the crash, Mum Megan suffered whiplash that lasted for 2 weeks. The cause of the car locking up has not been discovered. Pensioner Valerie's nose was fractured and her arms were put in plaster casts as a precaution. She has replaced her dentures and the council has repaired the footpath.